we first started talking about Loro, the idea of it, we were starting to see all these dishes that were meat-based, and all the dishes had like various components to make the meat taste great. Combinations of these flavors, highly acidic components, to make the fat and the meat taste great together. Could you do that with another concept?
And you know, like me being a fan of Uchi for years, I always loved like the acidity of everything and how much citrus is in everything. It's just so bright and the flavors are just so sharp. And then doing what I do, I deal with, you know, really high quality smoke and really fatty meats and super heavy salt. And the way that that acidity complements the fattiness of all these meats that people use in barbecue, I thought it was kind of a no-brainer, really.
Like they're both protein based, and so sushi's like all fish, obviously, and like sliced order. Barbecues meat sliced order. So the similarities were very striking. And so we met and talked about it, and he's like, that's freaking cool. I'd love to help you or do whatever we could do to make that happen.
You know, obviously Uchi and Co. are really nice places, and it would be a 2-3 hour meal, and it takes a long time. And then Franklin Barbecue is the same as this. Like, stand in line, you hang out, and you're like, oh, I'll take 2 of those, 1 of those, 1 more slice of that. Ooh, that looks good. And then you pay for it, weigh it up, and you go eat it somewhere. To be able to like have something like that is like fast, easy, pop in for happy hour, pop in for lunch.
This is both Aaron and I's favorite meat dish on the menu, right, Aaron?
It's pretty good. I'm a super big fan of this one.
I love the cuts. I love the green chili. I love the pickled onions, the shishitos.
It takes on smoke because it's not a really fatty piece of meat, so I feel like it picks up better aspects of the smoke than some other cuts would.
I mean, it almost like harkens towards a brisket, right? The look of it, a little bit. So good.
I think this is the one dish that really sums up Loro, though.
Me too. So good.
I really like sauce a lot. Aside from the setup, just the meat itself, we salt it, cold smoke it for a little bit. We submerge it in smoked tallow confit for a bit up to a certain temperature, and then we pick it up on the oak grill back there. And that's pretty much what we're looking at. That allows us to get the texture just about right while getting a good sear on the outside. And then with the shishito sauce on there and the pickled onions and stuff really pulls out some of the brightness. These are the baby back ribs. Cool thing about baby backs is it's a loin rib, so it's got like an interesting feathery texture to it. It doesn't have a lot of fat. We started doing this on Sundays and Mondays, I believe. Just kind of like, oh, it's a baby back rib night. Kind of a riff on Chili's in a little bit. But they're smoked for about 2 hours on the smoker, and then they're chilled down, and then we pick them up on a grill for service. So back to the lightning fast ticket times. Something good to pick up. It's got a pineapple tamarind barbecue sauce that's super bright, super fruity, pretty sweet. I think these ribs are awesome. People are going nuts over these things.
They're the best.
And pickled cauliflower too.
And this tamarind pineapple sauce is so like acidic to go with the ribs. Love
good.
it. It's perfect.
It cooks perfectly. Like, it's so hard to nail baby back ribs.
So you've got some acid, some pickle on the scallions, tamarind pineapple barbecue sauce, also acid, pickled cauliflower, so 3 acids with the ribs. So fat plus acid together.
This next one is the salmon. I feel like if this one is kind of like my baby, this one was definitely your baby.
Atlantic salmon, cured with salt and sugar for I think an hour and a half, and then smoked for like also 90 minutes. Picked up on the wood fire grill, so it's a little salty, a little sweet. It has apricot glaze on top, cucumbers, and the broth is with yuzu. It's like a yuzu ponzu sauce. So again, the acid here, acid there, and sugar with the glaze.
Napkin drop.